Hey guys, it's Diva Queen here. And so I got my stress ball that I bought on Amazon. Well, my dad bought for me on Amazon a couple of days ago. Last week on Tuesday or Wednesday, I don't know. But I got it and it came. I'm going to do an unboxing video. Sorry if there's background noise. My dad is walking around. I think he just went to take a shower or something. But I need scissors. I'm going to get the scissors. Okay. I found the only scissors I could find. So. I don't know how. Oh, could have just opened it this way. I'm literally so excited. It is so squishy. Okay, it's in here. Apparently he got me the black one. And then there's like instruction or something. Whatever. Let's just open this. Oh my gosh, oh my gosh, oh my gosh. That is so squishy. It's so squishy. It's like memory foam inside. See, look. And wait, listen. I'm so happy. And Tiana, my girlfriend, gave me this. It's not squishy, it's just... Oops. Let's retry that. There we go. Oh my gosh, it's so squishy. I'm obsessed. I'm obsessed. I swear if this pops sometime. Wait. It's so squishy. It's like white and then it goes back in. So I wish I got two so I could cut one open. I might cut this one open in a while, but so this is what she gave me. There's a cheeseburger inside with glitter. Here, I'll bounce it over here. I'll get that. Sorry if you hear that beeping. It is my macaroni in the microwave. But I'm trying to wait for it to. There's a cheeseburger. It has a little tie and it's so cute. I like doing this. Okay, so making all the glitter go down here. Put your hands right here. And flip it over. It's so cool. But yeah, this, oh my gosh. It's a little dusty, as you can see, so we're gonna wash it. Dad! It came and it's so squishy. It smells like, oh wait. Feel it. I'm gonna put water on it.
Why do you put water on?
Because like it's dusty.
Okay.
There's my brown. Okay. It's so squishy. I need to name it. I need to name this squishy ball. I want to bring this to school because I have anxiety. Doesn't everybody have anxiety? But like I have very high anxiety.
It's just something your mom told you. I don't think you have anxiety.
Do you know what anxiety is?
Yes, I do.
What is it?
I'll tell you when you're done recording.
Oh, okay. Ew, there's like dust on it. Do you know where a towel is so I can like... I wish I got two so I could cut one open and see what's inside. I I'm gonna make a slime video. So like here's a slime. What everybody does that makes me so annoyed. Squinch, squinch. Flip it over. Squinch, 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 squinch. Flip it over. Squinch, squinch. That annoys me so much. Every slime video I see. Okay, let's do a tutorial. So we made it now. We're gonna squish it, and now we're gonna put it on the floor and squinch, squinch. Fingerprints. Flip it over, fold it, squinch, squinch. Anyways, thank you for watching, guys. Like, comment, subscribe, and thank you for watching. Oh, I'm gonna give out shout-outs to all of my friends who I know watch my videos. Kelton, his YouTube channel, I forgot what it is, but I'll tell you in the next part. But Kelton, he's okay at YouTube, I guess. He's made me laugh. He opens things with his feet because he's holding the camera. And the only time I think he's ever showed his face is to the Try Not to Laugh challenge, which he posted this morning. If this breaks at one part of time, I'm gonna be so mad. Oh my gosh. Look, Dad.
Don't break it.
Other side. Someone's squinching. I'm obsessed. I'm obsessed.
Said you want to grab me too?
Mm-hmm. Oh, my
Flakes or sticks?
Flakes. The other shout out goes to Delaney. She has a channel, but it's just like to subscribe to people. So, and Micaiah, which is my friend at school. Delaney's my friend at school, and Kelton's my best friend at school. And who else? I don't know who else watches my videos, but they're the main people who are always asking, why can't you make a video?
Shout out to you talking too much.
You shut up too. But anyway, thank you for watching, like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!